Good morning, good fives.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Mbusi. I hope your mom watches this video because Mbusi is not doing his work. A gerund. Today we're going to do two topics: compound sentences and gerunds. Compound sentences we already know, easy peasy. So I'm not going to explain that. It's when I take two sentences, I put them together, I compound them. But a gerund is an interesting thing. And now I've already asked you off the video what a gerund is, and no one could answer. So the Lord must help us today. A gerund is formed when the present participle of a verb ending in ing is used as a noun. We can often find the gerund next to the word of. Example, he has a fear of sailing. The barking of the dog distracted us. I'm going to read that again. A gerund is formed when the present participle of a verb ending in ing is used as a noun. Okay? Long story short, it's when I take a verb and I turn it, or I take a verb and I turn it into a noun.
ING.
Right? By adding ing.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm using the verb as a noun. So, he has a fear of sailing. Okay? Now, in that sentence, sailing is not a doing thing. It is a thing. It's sailing.
Oh.
A thing. It's an abstract, right? Abstract noun. It's a thing. I can see it. I can see sailing, right? I might even feel sailing, but it's abstract. The same with barking, right? So I don't say when I say the dog is barking, is it a noun? No, it's a doing, right? It's something the dog does. But if I say the barking of the dog is annoying, now I'm making that barking a thing, right? That dog is doing a thing. He's barking, right? So that barking becomes a thing, a noun. Now, as stated in this block, what is the key to understanding gerunds? How do I spot them?
The ing.
Olarato, provide the book, please, and focus. The ing and the of. When I have those two in one sentence, I probably have a gerund. So if I ask you in a test, identify the gerund or underline the gerund, or write this sentence with a gerund in it, you're going to add an of, you're going to look for the of and the ing. We're going to practice that on page 163. Okay? You'll see there is a column or a table with 4 sentences. Okay? The first sentence is an example. The other 4 you need to do by yourself. Okay? So the wind kept me awake. Now I add it. So now I'm going to rewrite it in the howling of the wind. You see the ing and the of. The howling of the wind. Okay. Kept me awake. So the sentence number 2 says, the thunder made a huge noise. The rumbling of the thunder made a huge noise. Do you understand? Ing of. Alright, but before you do that, we need to practice our compound sentences as well. So on page 161 or 163, not 161, you're going to do that table, that first table at number 1 that says sentence 1 conjunctions sentence 2. So you're going to do all those sentences and you're going to use the conjunction they give you to match, to link the 2 sentences. And then you're going to do the second orange table, which is the gerunds. So you're going to write compound sentences You're going to do those 5 sentences, compound sentences. Use the conjunction they give you. Leave a line open, gerunds, and you're going to do those 4 sentences by turning them into gerunds. And then we are done. Enjoy your lesson.